There are two battery packs here. First, install the 4 series 12V lead-acid replacement BMS on the first battery pack. Measure the voltage. The red one is the positive terminal, and the black one is the negative terminal. The blue one is the B negative line, and the black one is the P negative line. The wiring harness terminal needs to be prepared and soldered by yourself. Connect the B negative line to the total negative terminal of the battery pack. Connect the first black wire of the harness to the total negative terminal. Connect the B1 wire of the harness to the positive terminal of the first series. Connect the remaining wires sequentially. Note: do not insert the BMS during the soldering process. After completing the wiring, check if the cable is correctly connected. If the matched voltage is within the nominal range, then the wiring is correct. Repeat above steps for the second battery pack. Connect the P negative line of one battery pack's BMS to the positive terminal of the other battery pack. Before connecting BMS, insert the temperature control wire into the NTC port. Connect 7 wires and check whether the BMS is functioning correctly. Use the P negative line of the other BMS as discharge or charge negative terminal and B positive as the positive terminal for charging or discharging loads. If the matched total series voltage equals the sum of the two battery packs' voltage, the series connection is completed. The BMS has a built-in Bluetooth module. First, enable Bluetooth on your phone and open the app. All functions prompted by the system must be turned on. Click the plus icon and connect to the corresponding Bluetooth code. You can configure and view the series summary data as well as individual battery pack data. Modifications to app-related parameters are supported. You can put the BMS into sleep mode by setting the sleep duration. The BMS can be awakened via the app by connecting Bluetooth. If the BMS indicator light turns on, it is successfully awakened. For OTA upgrades, download and open the BT Upgrade tool. Connect to the corresponding Bluetooth code of the products. All functions prompted by the system must be turned on. Click on Software Upgrade and wait for the update to complete. The upgrade is complete. The UART interface supports optional display screens, GPS module, and Wi-Fi module. For the optional Wi-Fi module, remote batch intelligent management of the batteries can be realized. The NTC interface allows the second pin to expand to NTC2, heating module, buzzer, or power module. The key interface supports an optional key switch to control discharge and sleep functions of the BMS.